Hello, it's Miss Hake back here for another chat about numeracy. Okay, so we are on the number 8. 8. Let's think about what 8 looks like. Does it have straight lines or does it have curvy lines? Did you say curvy lines? You're right. It also is almost two 2D shapes put together. What 2D shapes make 8? Is this an 8? Nope. Is this an 8? Nope. What about 2 circles? Yeah. So an 8 is 2 circles. So we're going to go ahead and get a piece of paper and we're going to make our 8 board for our number book or a number line that we are making. Do you want to see mine? Check that out. 8, 8. Those are my numeral 8s. So I'm going to write another one. You can either make 2 circles or you can make a curvy line and around. 8. Then I have the word 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. I have a group of 8 stars. I decided that 5 fingers plus 3 fingers make 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I drew my fingers. I have my tally marks here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shut the doors. 5, 6, 7, 8. And last week's number was 7. And I know one more is 8. So 7 and one more is the same as 8. Beautiful. And then I looked at my dice. So let's have a little look. The highest we can go is 6. How many more do we need to make 8 from 6? 6, 7, 8. So I drew 6 plus a 2 and a 2 is 8. Then I decided, okay, let's go down to the 5. There's 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it. Then I went down to a 4. 4 and 4 make 8. All right. So can you think of a different way to make 8? Maybe you can draw the number blocks. Wasn't he purple? I think he had 4 and 4 on each side. Do you remember what he looks like? So have fun making your 8 placemat or your 8 info board and put it in your number book or on the number wall that you're making. Have so much fun. 8. Bye.